magaling pa rin. Ay, bait-it.
Sir, kaya po may ingon ka niyo. Okay, number 16 na ka na. Ang champion sa Internet.
Okay. Ladies champion, Baby Charlotte.
Then, Bon Jovi Lagrada from Lorito Agusan. Then, rider of Dimple, Pogi Boss, Dimple Rider Carla Rivera Maygala. Then, from TTT Oswald Ilonggo, from Iloilo Country, Steve Gallego. Melba, the greatest tactician, the greatest on earth. No, walay lain. Gikat pa sa una, Anton karon walang pagpapago. Pinakamagaling na scorer ng national NAMSA, bisag unsa pa na. Melba, the name of the game. Then number 8, Rayo Ibanag from Ineos BM111 Racing Team. Okay, sponsored by Casablanca Bar and Restaurant. Then, Clark Butlisa from Leo Lipaga Racing Team.
Okay, ladies champion, Baby Charlotte.
And number 30 from Lantaban, Bukidnon, the forever champion, Waipaga Lubat. Bisa kapila pa, tabling pero magaling pa rin. Ay, bait-it. Sabi ko, Ryan, bait. And, handle bago na siya. Handle.
Good.